All right, here we go. Jay Holly doing a personal Spectra, personal Immaculate Collegiate. Good luck, brother. I say can't go wrong. Spectra, there's usually like 2 or 3 massive boxes in an 8-box case. I feel like Immaculate Collegiate, all 5, they're either loaded to one hit or spread across loaded. Well, there's some pink. That'll work. Joe Flacco to 99. And look at this thing. City to City pink Carson Palmer. Dual patch. What's the pink on those numbered? 7 of 10. Next, Spectra Signatures Von Miller. All right, this is a good pack. And TJ Yeldon to 199. Nicely done. That pack was stacked. Peyton Manning, Colts, number to 99. And then there's old Eli hanging out together. It must be a Tuesday. Oh, number to 35. Next, Blake Bortles. Blake Bortles, Sunday Spectacle jersey. And, oh yes it is, Derrick Henry. That's the true rookie patch auto. Alan, sounds good, brother. 3-color rookie patch auto, true RPA, Derrick Henry. Dang, look at that. Is that old Nile? Did he get hurt last night? James Lofton for the Bills to 60. Yep. Look at that thing. Nile Davis orange. Ooh. 1 of 3 Nile Davis. 1 of 3. So Derrick Henry, Nile Davis. Melvin Gordon Jumbo. 199. And Derrick Henry to 199. Rising Rookie Duel. And, man, green. Jay Cutler green to 25. Then check out this one, Julius Thomas, Vested Veterans patch auto green. What's up, Jerry? He said, yeah, I'm doing it. 18 of 25 on that one. Next, Deshaun Jackson, City to City, Philadelphia and Washington to 99, and Paxton Lynch to 199, Rising Rookie. So a solid box of Spectra. That kind of takes the pressure off on Immaculate, eh? All right, Immaculate. Ooh, got a little bit of a bulger here. Is it going to be a fat card or an overpacked box? Let's see. I think it's going to be a fat card. Oh, not a 1-on-1, but it's numbered to 5. And I think this might... Oh, there is a thick one in there. It's an acetate card. I don't think we've had this one yet. I don't think we've had one that's thick and acetate. Interesting. All right, Barry Sanders, 2 of 5. What's up, Frank? Next, Ricardo Lewis to 99. Next, we have a Todd Gurley, Chris Conley, Malcolm Mitchell to 99. Triple. I'm gonna see. If we should. Will? Holy Mother of Pearl. I'll come back to that. Yeah. Aaron Green to 99. Whoa. This isn't a 1-on-1, but it might as well be. Let's put it that way. This is too darn cool. Number to 25, Jonathan Williams. Number to 99, Sterling Shepard. This is one of those. There's one of these in every case. It's back to back to back hard sign rookie autos. Sterling Shepard. And to 99, jumbo rookie patch autograph, Josh Dotson. Nice looking card there. So solid box even already. But where's the numbering at? Oh boy. Where'd the numbering go? Oh, there it is. 1 of 9. 1 of 9. 1 of 9. But I feel like this card is going to have a cult following. You're going to understand in a minute. You're going to understand in a minute. And one of those people that's part of the cult, he's probably in the room right now. What? There's nothing in the card. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's right. We've got the Buckeye leaf. Ezekiel Elliott. Helmet. 1 of 9. You got the Buckeye. How freaking cool is that? How cool is that? I bet you this is better than pulling like a shield, honestly. Any Ohio State collector would just kill for that, right? Crazy. That's cool right there. That is really cool. Jeff, congrats, man.